Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you the new performance mode which is coming with the Enrich add-on version 2.0. So I have a render over here, and to show you the problems that the performance mode aims to solve, let's start by adding a new effect. So notice how the interface becomes slow when I add a new effect. So I'm adding the temperature effect, and as you can see the interface has started to lag a bit, and also the compositing time has increased. If you notice the loading bar over here. So now let's try to increase the temperature of this effect. So now I have increased the temperature, and let's try to enable the mask as well. And as you can see, Blender has become quite slow and interface has started to lag as well. So these are the problems which the performance mode aims to solve, and these problems don't usually occur when you have less than 5 effects. Only in certain situations where you have more than 5 effects is when you'll experience these issues. So now let's enable the performance mode. So I'll go to the preferences, and over here you'll find the performance mode, and let me just activate it. So now I have activated the performance mode. So as you can see, the Enrich panel has actually disappeared from the image editor, and it has now been moved to the compositor itself. So if you go to the compositing workspace and open the properties by pressing the N key, you'll see that the Enrich panel has moved over here. So the reason Enrich panel is moved over here is because the backdrop over here in the compositor is calculated much faster compared to the image in the image editor over here. And this eliminates the interface lag which was occurring before. The performance mode also enables an option called the buffer groups, and this consumes more memory than before, but it also increases the speed of the compositor. So now if we go back to the Enrich panel and try to make change to the temperature, as you can see the changes take place much faster. And if I again change the temperature again, as you can see it's much faster, and the lag in the interface is also removed. So again I can enable the mask settings and get back to speed with how I was using it. So let's try to add a mask. So I can select the green ball over here, and again, so as you can see, like, it has become really fast. So this is what the performance mode aims to solve, and this is coming with the Enrich add-on version 2.0. So let me know your thoughts on what you think of this new performance mode. Thanks for watching.